everybody, it's me DJ. Welcome back to another video. Today, as you read in the title, I will be teaching you guys how to make the most amazing thumbnails in the whole world. So, here's how you do it. You go, so first you need a picture. So you go onto Safari if you're looking for a picture. Make sure you don't choose one that's copyrighted, so I take my own. So I'm on YouTube here, as you can see, and I'm just gonna take a screenshot because it's my own photo technically, so I shouldn't be like copyrighted for this video. So yeah, I just take a screenshot and then I adjust it, so this should work. But guys, don't just take pictures off the internet, make sure they're your own pictures. So then I'm gonna go back on to this app that should come free with your device, and this is for Android and iOS users, so it should come free with your device. And then you go to photos and there should be your image. Just go there and see there's my image. You can like adjust it, make it bigger and smaller, and then yeah, so what you do is you click on the little rainbow star thingy that if you can see there, it's in the corner there. Just click on it, little rainbow star thingy. Can you guys see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, anyway, so you just click on that, and then stuff should come up. I'm just waiting for my stuff to do it. I don't know what I'm doing right now. There we go. So there's like filters, and you can have all of those other stuff, but I didn't bother to use those just because you can't really see those. And then, so that's why. So it's not going to go on my background. You have to choose something that sort of like pops out, and you can, like, people can read, because they're going to be scrolling on YouTube, be like, what should I watch? So that's good. So you can change the text, how to make, it's a bit like, I don't know that. So I'm gonna change it. So I could just put it up there, how I'm doing right now. Can you guys see that? There. I'm doing that, and the white doesn't work, so I'm going to change it again. I'm just waiting. So now that's a better one. That works, so I'm going to use that. How to make ... And then I'm going to have it up in the corner there. And then we need big writing. I'm going to write outstanding, all in capitals. Outstanding. And then outstanding. I'm going to make that bigger. I'm just figuring out how it's all going to go. How to make outstanding. And then I'm going to put thumbnails in this one. And it's like, it's looking legit already, guys. I'm liking it. You've got SpongeBob in the corner there. Wait, what? So how to make, we can't have it too small, so let's just make it a bit bigger. There we go. And outstanding, I'm going to change that to really big so you can see it. See how to make outstanding thumbnails. And then down here I could have like an arrow or something. So I'm going to get the arrow up in a minute. I'm just looking for it. Can I find the arrow? Where's the arrow? Where is that arrow? I cannot see it. No, that's not an arrow. Where is it? No. Oh yes, I'm going to put Android for iOS users in this one. So you just put, you got that. That's just the time. I'm going to change it. Oh my god, what did I do? Help. It changed it on Android or Android / iOS devices. I don't think I'm going to write devices though. Sorry guys, I've got this music stuck in my head. It's playing in the background so you guys will hear it right now. So there's me using the app. And I'm going to find a place to put this. I'm going to put it down there, and then I'm going to save a room for arrows. An arrow like right there. And oh no, what happened? It got rid of it. What's going on? Help, help, help. People, help. What's going on? Oh no, where'd it go? Oh no. Okay. What's going on? Oh, what have I just done? Help, peoples. Sorry about this, guys. Okay, there we go. Now I've got to do it all again, but I'll make it better. So, sorry, guys. That was like a bit. So I'm gonna do that. This is it, but it's not gonna be this is it. It's gonna be how to make. I don't like how it goes like down onto another line, but you can't change that, unfortunately. So I'm gonna do how to, but I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna not do the dot dot dot. I don't want the dot dot dot. How to. And then I'm gonna do make there, and then I'm gonna put them next to each other. How to make. Put the how to there, a bit bigger so you can see it. Make, and I'm gonna have make like sort of like slanted and really bigger. How to make. Then do the outstanding. How to make outstanding. Thumbnails. Thumbnails. And put it right there. And then I'm gonna go for that arrow again. Hopefully I don't reset the whole thing. So yeah. Trying to find the arrow. Trying to find it. Not working. Oh, some emojis. Yeah, emojis. Emojis, and then you can put like any emoji that you want. It's gonna be like, oh, really? I can make thumbnails that easily? Wow. So yeah. And then I've got the arrow, but I don't like that arrow. What's that? How to make that? I don't know how to change. So it doesn't say this, because every time you do space, see, look, it changes it back again. So maybe I'll do turn and then space. Nope. Guys, I'm just trial and erroring right here. You guys will have to do the same. Just learn how to use the app and stuff. Like, this also helps me. This is also what I edit my videos on. See that little subscribe in the corner? Little subscribe. Yeah, make sure you do that, by the way. Make sure you actually subscribe to my channel, guys. Because I know this sounds crazy since I'm on a very, very low amount of subscribers right now. Like, extreme low. I really need you guys' help. I like really need your help right now. I need you to make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit the like and the bell button. And I'm not begging, I don't need you guys to do it. Just I'm asking, okay? So I'm just gonna put a pointing emoji. The doors O.P.E.N. Take that high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she said that she the loneliest. And it's hard to open up. Pointing. Open you up like open up. Tell you out for let your emotion walk. And then there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this clip. And yeah, I like adding music, so here I am just adding music. Because since I use this to do my videos on, you don't have to do it since you're just gonna sort of like just take a picture. But I like doing this one. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'm turning up my volume. It's playing in the background, so you can just probably hear it anyway. But it's pretty lit. Anyway, so now you just take a screenshot. Then you just adjust it. Just adjust it a bit. And then you've got your thumbnail. Now you just upload it. And there it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this clip. make sure you subscribe, like I said before, if you want a face reveal at 1 million subscribers. And I hope you enjoyed it, like I said. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.